Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I just wanted to film a rose gold inspired look. I know that we can't go anywhere during this whole quarantine shiz, but why not? I mean, let's just look bomb AF and walk into the lounge. Yeah, so just keep this intro short and sweet and let's get into the video. So what I like to do first is literally just pin my hair up. Just so you know, this is literally my first makeup video that I filmed and I cannot get the clip into my hair, so that's fun. Yeah, just pin it to the side so then you don't get makeup all through your hair. And you also look cute AF. Look at my little shells. Love it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take this Essence Primer Mist. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh my god, please ignore my ratchet nails. We're just gonna wait for the restrictions to be lifted so we can get them fixed up, which is not long now in Australia. Oh, and just like so, a bit of moisture in there, rub it in, and then once that's in, we can get started. So I'm not sure how everyone does their makeup, but the first thing that I like to do is do my eyeliner and mascara first. So this is the Rimmel in 262 Blackest Black. I'm not sure if you can see that. A bit of my mascara, scandalized in the orange yellow. Girl, what are you doing? Orange packaging here. Temperamental is putting mascara on. Oh my god. So I just put some of that on and then I go in with a little bit of this Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, which, to be honest, I bought it when I went on holidays because I thought, oh, like I could put this on and it'd be great for swimming and stuff, which it is. It literally stays on and like you cannot wash it out, like at all. Like you literally cannot wash it out, but that is also the problem. So I think that once this runs out, I'm definitely just gonna go back to the normal Better Than Sex mascara because that is honestly my favorite mascara ever. It is my favorite mascara ever. It makes my lashes so long. Clean that up a bit. Okay, so next I have the Morphe palette. Excuse the messiness of the palette. This is the 3502 and I am just gonna take my brush and I am going to go in with the color Universal. And we're just gonna do like a bit of that. I go in with the color Flux. Just like do it here around like the crease. So we're gonna go in with a bit of Zodiac, which is the glittery one, and a bit of the bronzy as well. I'm just gonna like and lastly, I'm just gonna go in with the tiniest bit of amber. What we're gonna do is we're going to go in with this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color, it's the color Wanderlust. A bit of this Hourglass in the color Reflect. To get my NARS foundation in, literally I have no idea how to say this, Huan Hine. It's MD 2.6 and that's the color that I use. So just pop that on. Get my MAC concealer in NW35. And then I'm literally just going to do my eyebrows. This is just a benefit, like brow helping. And then I'm just gonna go in with this Goof brow pencil. We're just going to come in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. Lastly, I'm just going to use my Stella powder. Highlight. And lastly, just this Hourglass lip gloss in the colour Unreal. And that is it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!